Hey everyone, and welcome. Who likes to barbecue? I know this guy sure does. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your own portable barbecue grill. And you can take it on your next camping trip. You can take it on your next fishing trip. You can even take it on tailgate parties, even a picnic. And I'm going to show you how. You definitely don't want to miss this one, so stay tuned. All right, so for this hack, we're just going to need 2 of these cooling racks. The second one is going to be an optional. So if you don't have a flat concrete surface, you can place your grill underneath there. Or if you're going to use it on a tailgate, then you need a deep aluminum pan. And lastly, bag of charcoal. Place your charcoal inside your aluminum pan. Grab your cooling rack, place it on there, and let's grill. Alright everybody, that's it for this video. It's time for this guy to go eat some lunch on his new grill. I sure hope you liked the video. If you did, shoot me a thumbs up. And let me know in the comments down below what you're going to be using your portable grill for. So until next time.